I'm Sudi Su with Coldwell Banker Realty. Today I have another pleasure to have Kenneth Lee, VP of Guarantee Rate Affinity, here to share more lending information with us. My next question for you is, I oftentimes we have this, I don't know if it's myth or what, we were always instructed not to change buyers' jobs when after they apply for a loan. So is it true? So they're saying goodbye to great opportunities in their career. Can they not change jobs at all?
Not necessary. Of course, you don't want to miss the good opportunity in your career, right? So, but of course, when you purchasing a property, you don't want to do something that is not supposed to do. So that's couple scenario regarding to the change job. The first scenario is you are changing from W2 to W2. You just change the employer. So for those situations, basically you can do it anytime. Most of the lender, they will ask you for the offer letter to tell us that what is the salary that you are having. But one thing that you need to very be careful is when you're using a bonus or restricted stock income to qualify for a loan, you will lose that income to qualify for a loan. So you're only able to use the base income to qualify for the loan. That's one thing that we need to be very careful. The second thing is like some lender that they will require for you to get your first paycheck before they can close, but some lender they don't. So it depends on the lender that you are going with. Another situation is you are changing from a self-employed to W2, right? So the good example is let's say you are a software consultant, self-employed for a while, more than 2 years, and then right now you are changing to a W2 software engineer. So basically you're just changing the job, but it's still in the same field. For those things, it should be fine, and as long as you are on the same field, and we should able to use your income to qualify for the loan. The one thing that we need to make sure is like some of the lender, they need you to be on the job for 6 months in order to do it, but some they don't need to. So probably you need to check with the loan agent.
So it's like almost like an insurance where there's a waiting period.
Yeah, exactly. Another last thing is the borrower changing from a W2 to a self-employed. That will be a big no-no. So if you're actually changing from W2 to self-employed, you need to wait for 2 years before for your self-employment before you can use the income to qualify for a loan. That will be a big problem of your mortgage.
So I think, I'm assuming, I'm guessing the reason why lender has this restriction is because they would like to know how predictable your income is going to be, I suppose.
Yeah, when you're starting your business, you never know what's going on.
Right. Okay, great. So for those of you who are applying for a home loan, in case if you have great opportunities coming up, showing up in your career, yes, you may be able to take on the great opportunities. However, my advice would be always keep your agent and also keep your lender informed before you jump ship. I'm Sudi Su with Coldwell Banker Realty.
I'm Kenneth Lee with Guarantee Rate Affinity.
Keep it simple, keep it real.